Hi kids, this time your Didi is back with an amazing video related to ocean animals. And did you know that the almost three-quarter of the earth is covered with oceans, and the biggest ocean on the earth is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific means peaceful here, and there are amazing animals in this ocean. Some are huge, some are tiny, some are fishes, some are mammals, and there are some animals who spend their entire life in this ocean. So let's go. So here we go with our presentation now. Oh, you can see here seal. So sea lions are bulky mammals. The male sea lions are bigger than the females, reaching almost 2 meters long and weighing about 300 kgs. Sea lions spend most of the time in the water, swimming and playing. They hold their breath and can dive underwater to catch the food. How interesting it is! Now next we have blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal that ever lived. It is even bigger than the dinosaurs and weight almost 200 tons. And you know how they talk to each other? They'll just sing with each other. Blue whale have their own echo of singing. Now next we have zooplankton. Zooplankton are small aquatic microorganisms in water that include rotifers, open water insect, larvae and aquatic mites. The zooplankton community is composed of both primary consumers which eat free floating algae and secondary consumers which feed on another zooplankton. Now let's move to orcas. Orcas is like so beautiful, right? It's the black and white combination of the whale is really very beautiful. The killer whale, it's also known as the killer whale or toothed whale belonging to the oceanic dolphin family of which it is the largest member. So now you know that this is the largest member of the dolphin family. It is recognizable by its white and black patterned body. They are also known to use very clever hunting techniques. Now next we have wandering albatross. It is a seabird called wandering albatross. It doesn't actually live in the ocean, but it spends almost its life flying over the ocean. It has the longest wings that could any bird have. It does land on water